Want to dive into the world of Arduino, but don't know where to start? This ELEGOO Uno R3 starter kit might just be your golden ticket. With over 200 components, it's like a treasure chest for aspiring electronics enthusiasts. Inside, you'll find everything from resistors and LEDs to more advanced modules like a DHT11 temperature sensor, an ultrasonic sensor, and even a mini remote control. It's seriously impressive how much they've packed into this kit. The inclusion of the Uno R3 board, fully compatible with Arduino IDE, is a huge plus. It's the brain of your projects, and ELEGOO makes sure it's ready to go right out of the box. What sets this kit apart is its completeness. You get a breadboard, jumper wires, and even a handy storage case to keep everything organized. No more rummaging through drawers for that one specific resistor. And for beginners, the included PDF tutorial with over 30 lessons is a lifesaver. It walks you through various projects, teaching you how to use each component step by step. All the code is included, which is a massive time saver. The quality of the components seems decent for the price. Everything is pre-soldered, which makes wiring a breeze. The LCD1602 module is clear and easy to read, and the servo motor is surprisingly responsive. I was particularly impressed with the inclusion of modules like the RTC real-time clock and the RC522 RFID reader, which open up a whole new world of project possibilities. Now it's not perfect. The included power supply is rated for 9V, and the manual warns against exceeding that voltage. It's a good reminder to be careful with your power inputs. Also, while the tutorial is helpful, some of the explanations could be clearer. But honestly, for the sheer amount of stuff you get, these are minor quibbles. The ELEGOO Uno R3 Project Most Complete Starter Kit is an outstanding value for anyone looking to learn Arduino. It's comprehensive, well-organized, and comes with everything you need to get started. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or just curious about electronics, this kit is a fantastic investment. It's a solid foundation for countless exciting projects.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.